In this tutorial, we'll be introducing you to the world of JavaScript and Node.js, focusing on how to accept user input from the command line using the Readline module. Let's start by understanding what is the require function and how do we use it. Here's how require works. It's a built-in function in Node.js that allows you to import other modules into your code. In this case, we're using it to import the Readline module, which we can then use to interact with the command line. Now that we have the Readline module, let's create a Readline interface. An interface is simply a way for your program to interact with Readline. Here, we're creating a new Readline interface and storing it in the variable rl. The input and output options tell Node.js to use the standard input and output streams, which are the command line in this case. Now let's get to the exciting part, accepting user input. We'll ask the user for their name. The rl.question method prompts the user with a question and waits for their response. Once the user responds, their input is passed to a callback function. In this case, we're greeting the user with their inputted name and then closing the Readline interface. Let's run the code and see how it works. You should now see a prompt asking for your name. When you enter your name, the program will greet you with your name and then exit. That's how we can accept and use user input from the command line in Node.js. That's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and you've had fun learning about accepting user input in Node.js. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to experiment with the Readline module. Happy coding!